Strong passwords are a good start, but for nearly impenetrable security, you need to enable something called two-factor authentication. The concept is simple. Combine something you know, like a password, with something you have in your possession, like a code texted to your mobile phone. A hacker on a completely different continent may hack your password, but unless they have your cell phone in their hand, they still can't get into your account. I can't stress this enough. Two-factor authentication stops hackers in their tracks. There's nothing better for your protection, and it is easy to set up and use. There are different technologies you can use for two-factor authentication, including biometric devices like fingerprint readers and USB dongles, but text messages are a valid alternative for most of us. We already have a cell phone and know how to text. To set up two-factor authentication, you'll need to go to your online account and look for the option. The easiest way is just to Google something like two-factor authentication for Gmail or whatever account, whatever bank you're trying to protect. You'll find step-by-step instructions. Banks, email providers, all internet sites that handle sensitive information are big promoters of two-factor authentication. Customers using 2FA save businesses millions of dollars in man-hours every year. Two-factor authentication can save you a ton of money, time, and heartbreak too. So check it out on your important accounts. Start with your email and bank. Setting it up is a breeze.